Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson at MarineMax Clearwater. Today I've got a brand new G23 Paragon. For those of you that aren't familiar with Paragon, this is Nautique's flagship luxury wake surf boat. Standard are the recliners here in the back that close up. When you're not using them when you're surfing, you can sit back there, be right next to your rider. Also, you've got the sunshade, which is optional on this one. There are only a few options on the Paragon, but this boat has most of them. Also on the back, you've got your wake surf subs that are built right into the floor, so the rider can not only hear it, but they can feel that. On your tower, we've got the telescoping tower, again standard, with 2 speakers on each side. Our board racks are the strapless style, again standard, RGB lighting throughout. Again on the Paragon, we've got 2 screens. You've got one that controls all of your surf functions and wakeboarding functions, as well as lighting, stereo, and everything else in the boat. It is touchscreen as well as controlled the dial. Your secondary screen here is just a data screen, so that way you're not flipping back and forth between changing your wake surf setup or wakeboarding or music, but you've got just your dedicated display for all your data. In the floor, we're going to have a built-in cooler that's removable. So you're not asking people to move. All your seating throughout is convertible here. Moving forward, we've got the bow filler cushion, which right now is upside down, allows you to walk through to the bow. When flipped up, you've got a big seating pad. If you'd like to have any more information on this boat or any of the other awesome Nautiques you see in the background, give me a call or send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.